December 7th, 2021. And I got my truck back. I guess it had a couple of bad sensors on the transmission. He changed the sensors that were bad and didn't need a whole new transmission. But I was down for about a week. He did a couple other things on there also. Anyway, I got my truck back. And this one here, I gotta go do a fix an outside faucet for a guy that's leaking. So, on our way over there, I'm back. Back on the road again. Back on the road again, Mama. Look at Mr. Grinch. Oh man, Mr. Grinch. Mr. Grinch. Gonna have to hook him back on there with a pull tie. Molly's at home because I had to call a cab to go get my truck. But whatever. We're back on the road again. Anyway, we'll try to get some shots if I can when I get there. Back on the road again. Steven is working again, Mama.
I get the water on now, so.
Boy, she's a Hummer.
Yeah, put it on, yeah. You should put it off and on like that.
It's leaking from the top there, it seems like. You got it open all the way down cellar?
Yeah, yeah.
Could be that just leaking there. Let me see if I can fix it. Maybe.
What?
Let me see if I can fix it. That's what you're complaining about, that leak? Yeah. I got a whole package of stuff in here that's fixed that shit up good. I got a whole big panel of stuff. All from old faucets that I trashed. There's all kinds of stuff in the bottom there. There's all kinds of little devices. We'll find something in there to fix them up with. Yeehaw. What happened was they left the hose on last winter. That's what they did. There's a problem right there. She's cattywampus, Mama. See, it's all cracked. We'll fix that up. It'll probably work right there. Maybe. Let's see. I don't know unless you try. Stop the leak, isn't it? I don't like these aluminum. You gotta make sure you take this hose off in the winter time, right?
Yeah.
See the piece in there?
Yeah.
How it was bent? The water got in there and froze it. See how it bent it? Plus it's all cracked. I put a new piece in there.
Oh, okay, good.
When you first turn it on, it makes a little weird noise, but then once it's open, it's fine.
Yeah,
that might be a washer inside, but this thing's working okay.
Sorry now.
You got to make sure you take this hose off in the winter, because if not, it has to drain.
Take the hose off.
Yeah.
I take the hose off.
You have to.
I
But
take this hose off.
that happened because it froze. See how it
Right.
bent it and everything?
Right. Yeah.
That's not good.